I'm going to introduce you to my channel. I just named it Carrot Moon because that's my first and middle name. I'm going to show you my house and my family and my cat. And the dog that I'm keeping until my grandma comes back. Okay? Do, do, do. Do, do. Okay, now for the real. Okay. So our Christmas tree is already up. The star is pretty. The star you cannot see is pretty. Our TV. Our newest cat named Kelly. My sister. We have our nutcrackers. These two big boys. These two big boys. And this guy. We have these guys. And this guy. We have this guy. Oh, my brother again. Smokey the kitty. Mommy. Doing her thing. We have more cats, they're just hiding. Now the house tour. This is the kitchen. This is the living room. Now I do toy reviews and everything. I do games. I do. I don't do fan mail, so no mail, no fan mail. I do cleanup videos. I do house tours. I do like all things. Well, a hallway. Nothing really. See? My brother's room. Nothing much. The bathroom. So a shower. Of course, we have the sink and the toilet. And our room, which is a humongous mess. And here is Leo, the kitty witty witty. Which is right here. Meow. I want your meow face. Meow. Meow. He doesn't want to be seen. My bed. My awesome bed. Here is my sister's bed. And up here, my bed. Oh, and you can't forget the Oreo cookie. Meow. Oh. We have 5 cats and 1 dog for a little bit. But we have 5 cats and Sam's just staying. So, today I'm just going to review like some Funko Pops and some minis. Okay, so I got a few things from the store. And wait, let's do the other store. Okay, got a few things from the store. We have Fear, the Funko Pop. Any more light? We have Fear. Can't see it very well, but it says Fear. We have Harry Potter. Harry Potter. We have Anger. And we have 2 minis. This is from Alice in the Wonderland. And Alice in the Looking Glass. And this is from Alice in the Looking Glass. Ow. Now, gonna put them back up on the shelf. Be back. Gotta put this one away. You can get the Funko Pops at I don't know, sometimes Walmart, Target, GameStop, collectible places. Yeah. So, this is the end of this vlog.